Genesis chapter 4. Verse 1. Now Adam knew Eve his wife, and she conceived and bore Cain, and said, I have acquired a man from the Lord. Verse 2. Then she bore again, this time his brother Abel. Now Abel was a keeper of sheep, but Cain was a tiller of the ground. Verse 3. And in the process of time it came to pass that Cain brought an offering of the fruit of the ground to the Lord. Verse 4. Abel also brought it the firstborn of his flock and of their fat. And the Lord respected Abel and his offering. Verse 5. But he did not respect Cain and his offering. And Cain was very angry, and his countenance fell. Verse 6. So the Lord said to Cain, Why are you angry? And why has your countenance fallen? Verse 7. If you do well, will you not be accepted? And if you do not do well, sin lies at the door. And its desire is for you, but you should rule over it. Verse 8. Now Cain talked with Abel his brother. And it came to pass, when they were in the field, that Cain rose up against Abel his brother and killed him. Verse 9. Then the Lord said to Cain, Where is Abel your brother? He said, I do not know. Am I my brother's keeper? Verse 10. And he said, What have you done? The voice of your brother's blood cries out to me from the ground. Verse 11. So now you are cursed from the earth, which has opened its mouth to receive your brother's blood from your hand. Verse 12. When you till the ground, it shall no longer yield its strength to you. A fugitive and a vagabond you shall be on the earth. Verse 13. And Cain said to the Lord, My punishment is greater than I can bear. Verse 14. Surely you have driven me out this day from the face of the ground. I shall be hidden from your face. I shall be a fugitive and a vagabond on the earth, and it will happen that anyone who finds me will kill me. Verse 15. And the Lord said to him, Therefore, whoever kills Cain, vengeance shall be taken on him sevenfold. And the Lord set a mark on Cain, lest anyone finding him should kill him. Verse 16. Then Cain went out from the presence of the Lord and dwelt in the land of Nod on the east of Eden. Verse 17. And Cain knew his wife, and she conceived and bore Enoch. And he built a city, and called the name of the city after the name of his son Enoch. Verse 18. To Enoch was born Arad. And Arad begot Mehujael, and Mehujael begot Methusael, and Methusael begot Lamech. Verse 19. Then Lamech took for himself 2 wives, the name of one was Adah, and the name of the second was Zillah. Verse 20. And Adah bore Jabal. He was the father of those who dwell in tents and have livestock. Verse 21. His brother's name was Jubal. He was the father of all those who play the harp and flute. Verse 22. And as for Zillah, she also bore Tubal-Cain, an instructor of every craftsman in bronze and iron. And the sister of Tubal-Cain was Naamah. Verse 23. Then Lamech said to his wives, Adah and Zillah, hear my voice. Wives of Lamech, listen to my speech. For I have killed a man for wounding me, even a young man for hurting me. Verse 24. If Cain shall be avenged sevenfold, then Lamech 77-fold. Verse 25. And Adam knew his wife again, and she bore a son and named him Seth, for God has appointed another seed for me instead of Abel, whom Cain killed. Verse 26. And as for Seth, to him also a son was born. And he named him Enosh. Then men began to call on the name of the Lord.